copy an old test, first we need to export it from the current course. 8 steps. We need to navigate to the course that contains the test. In this particular case, the course is College Trigonometry Math 10. Going to click on it. Then you need to go to Course Tools in Control Panel. Then you scroll down to Tests, Surveys, and Pools. Click on it. Then you need to click on Tests. Then you find the test that you want to reuse. Math 10 Test 2. Click on the arrow, and then you're going to export it to your local computer. You give it a moment for the test to transfer to your computer. The test is automatically saved in download. Now the next step is to import the tests that you chose into the course that you want. Now you go back home and navigate to the course in which you want to add the test to, and that new course is the current college trigonometry class that I'm teaching for the fall. Click on the course. Now you're going to scroll down to Course Tools in Control Panel, and then Tests, Surveys, and Pools. Click on Tests, Surveys, and Pools. Click on Tests. Now you're going to click on Import Test. You're going to browse your computer and scroll up to Download. Downloads. And here's the test. Click on it. You select it. Now the text is imported, and then you click on Submit. You give it a moment for the test to transfer to your computer. Okay, so test import is complete. Now we just have to deploy the test. You go to course content. I created a folder for it. Even without a folder, you would just select assessment. But I created a folder. The folder is named Test 2, Math 10 Test 2. So I'm gonna go to my folder, click on it. Then I'm going to click on assessment, then on tests. Add an existing test. The test is Math 10 Test 2. I click on it. Now I'm going to click on submit to submit the test. Now you are presented with the test options. You decide how many attempts you want to give to the students, which attempt would be graded, force completion. I always force them to complete the test and give them 2 attempts. This allows them to log back if they have internet issues. I don't set the timer because I make it available and then post it down manually. I don't need to set up any date because I do it by hand and monitor the tests. And I don't need any password either because the whole class is taking it. Now, I can choose a date after completion for them to see the answer. I usually choose 3 days after completion. 3 days after completion will be okay. Let's see. It's up to you if you want to change the time, but I don't. Test presentation, the default is all at once, but I'd rather they see one question at a time, and I prohibit backtracking. And I also randomize the questions so that no two students will see the same question. Now you can click on submit, and the test is right there, Math 10 test number 2. Click on the arrow and you'll have the option to make it available. Good luck.